Hey guys, this is Mitch McCaleb here at Fillmore Buick GMC. This right here is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300. It's only got 98,000 miles for a 2015 model. As you walk around it and walk inside here, you'll see it's got a beautiful shell leather interior. Very, very spacious front seat. As you come to the back seat here, then we'll follow it up here in the trunk with this great amount of trunk space we have back here. Guys, so this is our 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300. If you're looking for a perfect car for around $20,000, this is the one for you. Come in today, call me. My cell phone is 228-216-7905. Thank you.